I hope this video helps you out. Let's give a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, recording. Add another 16 seconds, that'd be 19 seconds. We are with the Insta360 Mic Air connected. At 16 seconds, you should see it start to connect. There we go. Put this to the side. When we shut off, it takes 5 additional seconds to shut down, and we'll repeat the same thereafter. If you want to immediately start up, this is what we can do. We can hit the mode on and quickly hit the start button, and we're recording in about 3 seconds time. So let's finish off and shut this down and go over to the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. The Action 4 and Action 3 will act the same. Upon the first startup, turn the camera on, then shut it down, and then the camera will go on immediately 1 second. For the first time, it'll take longer than 4 seconds. Here we are, immediately starting up. We don't have the DJI mic hooked up, but when we shut it down, we have a 3-second count versus a 5-second count. We're going to turn our mic on, go into the area of interest for the DJI mic, link up, hit the transmitter to, and have this linked up. And this is what I like to show you. We are linked. We're going to shut the camera down. And what you're going to notice is the quickness of the mic connecting. 1, 2, 2 seconds. We're connected, not 20 seconds. This is the camera, but the Action 4 may be the camera you are looking for. The Action 5 will have a breathing exposure jumps in and out. I hope this video was helpful to you. Oh, by the way, when I did my test, do you think Insta has problems? Here we are. We're stuck with the problem. I'm frozen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're off. Things do happen with cameras.